Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. So today in this short video we will be learning about the tire sizes. So let's just look at my car tire. So this is Hyundai Kona Electric. So I have got Michelin's. I just updated from the stock Nexon tires. I didn't like them. There was some issue with one tire. I could have got it replaced in the warranty, but I just shifted to Michelin's. And let's see how the tire and how you understand what the tire size is and all those things. So let's go into the tire. So here you will find every tire will have this like this. It will now it is showing 21555 R17. So what is 215? So 215 is this. So that's the width of the tire, right? So this is 215 and this is the height. So the height is 55. See, this is the height 55, and then is R17. So R17 is this radial size, or you can see the diameter of the tire. So this is how you see the tire. Then the 94V sign you will have. Then you will have other things like 50, 20. How we see the manufacturing year. So 23 is the year, last two digits are the year, 23 is year, 50 is the week. कौन से week में बना? ये 50th week of 2023 में टायर बना था. Then you will have those all markings like this, a dot marking, and then you will have the speeds. Sometimes you will some OEMs the tires which they will mark where it is made, like here it is written made in Taiwan, and some there would be the speed limit, how much speed you can have this tire or how much load it can bear. So all those kind of details are there. So mainly you are worried about the tire size, like here it is 21555 R17. So 215 is the width, 50 is this height, and then this is the radial diameter. Then this is the manufacturing date. Then it will have this wearing index. I think it should be on the other side or here. Not sure if it is here. So here it is written this max load like 670 kg. Then the tire pressure is also written over here in this tire. So the Michelin 4ST, this particular tire. And what more will be showing you? I don't think so there's much more. Then it's then there is a TWI, which is a tire wear index. I think it's on the other side. I'm not able to find it. Yeah, it's on the other side. So with that you can see how much your tire has worn off. And so this is how you read the tire, what you say, tire specs. Yeah, that's the right word. So my suggestion would always be stick to the stock tires specifications. There is no need of meddling with the tire specs. I have done it in my Brezza and it was not fine. Even if it is 1 to 2% of errors, it is just not worth it, because they are tested. Yes, you can have good alloys. That too, if the OEM alloys are there, they are sufficient. Aftermarket alloys, we just do not know how they work. So हमारी सजेशन हमेशा ये रहेगी, स्टॉक टायर स्पेक्स पे रहें, स्टॉक अलॉयज़ पे रहें, और प्रीमियम टायर्स अगर आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो मिशलिन, ब्रिजस्टोन, योकोहामा, ये आपके ब्रांड्स हैं. अगर आप उनसे ज़्यादा प्रीमियम नहीं यूज़ करनी तो आप MRF, अपोलो, C8 इनको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो इट ऑल डिपेंड्स अपॉन हाउ यू वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन योर टायर्स. एंड प्लीज़ मेरे को ये लगता है कई बारी हमारे में से भी लोग कई बार क्या करते हैं, 2 टायर अलग कंपनी का डलवा लेते हैं, 2 अलग के डलवा लेते हैं अगर एक अभी टायर में इशू है. सो प्लीज़ अवॉइड डूइंग दिस. गेट द 4 टायर्स रिप्लेस्ड एंड टायर रोटेशन, देयर बैलेंस, टायर रोटेशन होगी और हमारी व्हील बैलेंसिंग होगी. ये किसी एक्सपर्ट टायर वाली शॉप से आप अपने लोकल करवाया कीजिए. TPMS इज़ वेरी एसेंशियल. अगर आपकी गाड़ी में इक्विप्ड है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, नहीं तो आप TPMS आप आफ्टर मार्केट मिल जाते हैं. सेंसरी के हैं और अच्छे ब्रांड्स आ गए हैं. इसमें सेंसरी काफ़ी देर से एक्सटर्नल आफ्टर मार्केट TPMS में है, उनकी ब्रांड रेपुटेशन भी अच्छी है. वो आप ऐसा TPMS यूज़ कीजिए जो आपका एप्पल कारप्ले और एंड्रॉयड ऑटो के साथ कंपैटिबल हो, सो दैट ऐप हैज़ displayed on your screen once you are hooked up with your smartphone while driving. So it's a short video about the tire size and how should you go about your tires and alloys. So the takeaway points are: stick to stock specifications, stick to stock alloys. Aftermarket alloys you should avoid. I've seen a lot of burnouts because of those alloys, aftermarket alloys. ठीक है, सुंदर लगते हैं, but they're not worth it in my opinion. People can have different opinions as usual. And wheel balancing, tire rotation and TPMS, they are very essential to keep your tire life, to maximize your tire life. Then other thing is get a expert tire shop for this. Another thing, प्रीमियम ब्रांड्स में मिशलिन, ब्रिजस्टोन, योकोहामा ये हैं. उससे अगर आप प्रीमियम नहीं खर्चना चाहते तो आपके पास MRF, सीएट, अपोलो हैं. तो जो भी आपको अच्छा लगता है वो कीजिए. एंड so this was a short video about the tires and the specs around them. Thank you for watching this video. All the best.